Hello everyone, I am Soumya this side. So in today's video, I am going to tell you how you have to navigate through Trailhead website and how to see that which certification is good for your role. So if you are someone who is new to Salesforce and you're looking that which certification you should go for, you should come on Trailhead website. Now Trailhead is like an online learning platform which Salesforce has provided, and it has a lot of trails, modules, projects, a lot of hands-on stuff which you can come and practice and learn about Salesforce. So this is the website. This is how a Trailhead website will look like. Now in Trailhead you go to credentials, and in credentials you go to certifications. So now you can see that they ask you to choose your role. Okay, so for example, if you're a developer, want to be a Salesforce developer or an admin or an architect or a consultant, so based on that it will suggest you the list of certifications which are good for your role. So for example, if I'll go for Salesforce developer, it is going to give me a list of all these certifications. Now all the certifications are not mandatory for a developer role, but these all are the certifications which are related to a developer role. So for example, the most common certification is PD1 and PD2, which are needed for a developer, and then a lot of other kind of certifications like MuleSoft or JavaScript developer or B2B commerce developer and AI specialist. This is needed for almost every role. It will sum up all the certifications which are related to your role. And then suppose I go to Salesforce admin, so it will provide me all the certifications which are related to Salesforce admin role. So you can go and explore and choose your role and see that which one is best for you. Now if you are someone who is new to Salesforce and who does not have a background in IT, okay, or you are starting a job for very first time, so for you, I will advise that go for the Salesforce admin role, because this certification and this role is kind of a role where you get to know about Salesforce and a lot of terminology, where profiles, permission sets, user groups, a lot of things which are basic about Salesforce. How does it look like? How you can go into the org, do some hands-on. So I will say that go for the Salesforce admin certification if you are very new to Salesforce and if you are looking from where to start. The second certification recommendation which I will give is a platform app developer certification. The Salesforce platform app developer certification. Now this certification is also like a basic certification, and it will give you a lot of deep dive into what is Salesforce, how you can navigate all the basic terminology of Salesforce, the object manager. You are going to understand Salesforce in a much better way if you will go for these two certifications before switching to any role certification. So even if you are suppose a developer in your role currently and you're looking to switch to Salesforce developer role, I would say that if you don't know anything about Salesforce, then go for admin or platform app developer certification first, and then go for the certification related to the developer role. So for example, in this case you can go for PD1 and PD2, but before that you should explore the admin or a basic Salesforce app developer certification. This is how you can navigate to your roles and see that what are the certification which are for our role. So for example, if I go to Salesforce architect, it will give me a variety of certifications on architects: integration architect, sharing and visibility, system architect, technical architect. So it will give me a variety of certifications which are related to architect role. So yeah, this is pretty much of it. I In today's video I was just telling you guys that how you can navigate in Trailhead to the credentials and see that which all are the certifications which are suited for your role. Now I'm going to jump into one of the certification and show you that what Trailhead is having, what kind of material Trailhead profile provides. So for example, if I go into admin role, suppose, so it will show me about the exam, and it will show me some trail mixes and trails. Okay, so for example, this is a trail mix which it shows that how I can prepare for Salesforce admin credential, and then how I can study for the exam, and then there is a practice test as well. So if you will go here, it will give you timed and untimed, and it will provide 30 questions, and you can go and mark. This you can do once you are ready for the certification. So let me go to this trail mix and see. So this trail mix, it shows that what is the exam weightage. So for example, 20% is configuration and setup. Then you can see that a lot of modules are there, projects. This is a project, like this is a project, then a lot of modules will be there. So suppose for configuration and setup, if I'll open the Salesforce platform basics, okay, so it is going to give me a lot of a lot of things on how we can navigate, setup, and all these things. So once I have all the basics covered, I can move on to my project, and then a lot of other modules are there. Then again a project is there. So this is how they have built the whole content. And I would say that you go to Trailhead and learn all the content, especially do the hands on here. The theory part is not that good in Trailhead, so I will recommend some other websites like Focus on Force for the theoretical part. But if you go for the hands on, I would really suggest Trailhead. Complete all the practicals, all the projects if you are going for any certification, and then move on to giving the certification, because projects are going to make you really strong. You're going to have a user interface, and you're going to do yourself a lot of things, so it will make you really strong in giving the certification. So yeah, this was little bit on how to start with Salesforce, with certification to go for, and then how from where you can study. So I would really advise that go with Trailhead. Just complete all the hands on here. For theory, you can go for websites like Focus on Force, and then after you are completed with all your theory and practicals, I would say that go for websites like Quizlet, or there are a lot of other websites where they provide a lot of dumps of Salesforce certification. So just write Salesforce admin dumps, and you will get a lot of websites where they have almost similar questions which are asked in the examinations. So have a lot they have a lot of quite lot of similar questions. And you can encounter even the same questions in your exam. So once you are prepared with everything, just go for websites like Quizlet, and just see all those questions related to admin. Just try to answer them, just Google them, see which is the best answer, which is the right answer, and then go prepared for the examination. Okay, thank you everyone, and all the best.